present LAB3 testing of a ding system. Ding resistance measuring using triple method. Okay, our member is Amuthan, Norafiq, and me, Faeez. And next, we will do table content. Firstly, equipment use. Second, procedure, and the third one, experiment result, and lastly, conclusion. Okay. What equipment we use for LAB3? Firstly, Mega DET40C2 earth testing kit, and the second earthing rod. Third, multimeter, and the last one measuring tape.
As for the first procedure, firstly we must rub the electrode first because it was a bit rusty on the top of it with the file. Then we check the continuity with the multimeter to test that we get good contact. Okay, then we measure the distance between the electrode first for 10 meters. Then we point it to 2 meters until 6 meters as we do in our lab. Okay, then we connect with the mega port, the green wire for the P1, the green one over here. Then the yellow one for the current state, potential state, and the red one for the current state. Which is the current state is at the farthest, at the 10 meters point. As for the first try, we put the yellow potential state at 2 meters. Then we turn on mega selector switch to 3 method and push the test button to measure the resistance of the electrode. But we must stay cautious and stay away from the electrode as we might inject high current. Then we collect the data for each distance.
I will continue with the experimental results one. The experimental result one is by using triple method, and this is a non-parallel result. So the distance percentage of the potential, which is the yellow wire, we take at 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, and 6 meter. And we notice that the longer the distance is, the higher the resistance. This meaning that the pole distance from the point to the potential must near, so that the resistance is low, and this means the current will flow to the ground pole faster. So this is by using non-parallel, and this is the graph as you can see here. So we continue with experimental result number 2 with Amuthan. Okay, so this is the result with the parallel poles here. As we can see, the distance from the first experiment is further and the resistance increasing. So we added another pole that's parallel to the first measuring grounding pole. So we can see the result is almost half from the first experiment because of the parallel. So there is more resistivity on the ground to be grounded. So it's easier for the current to flow into the ground through the pole. So to further reduce the resistivity, we add another parallel pole after another 2 meter from the initially measured pole. Okay. So the resistivity is even lesser compared to the first one. So the more the parallel poles are added, the lesser the resistivity for the whole circuit. Yes. And for the current. Okay. This is the conclusion. That's the whole thing that I told just now. So, kena terang balik.
Sabtu, Faeez ke?
So, the same thing. In conclusion, whether 3 or 4 port method, is it better that we use parallel because it decrease the resistance?
Actually, our target is want to find the below 10 ohm resistivity.
Yes.
Can you show, basically this is a schematic, right? Can you show how this system can measure R?
This system can measure resistance.
Yeah.
R.
Yeah. Yes. You have pen, right? This sketch.
Okay, so resistance is the resistance measured between the two poles.
Please use pen. There you have pen. Okay.
Boleh terus.
Yeah, sure.
Betul.
This sketch, this sketch.
Resistance is measured on the measured this pole. So we take the resistance between the this earthing pole and the current pole. So
Show clearly.
this red one is the current pole,
Correct. Hold there.
and this is the earthing pole. So,
Okay.
so once current is injected through this pole, there is a resistance created in this space
Which
between the
space
electrode and the current pole. So
which electrode?
the this one, the yellow color line.
Only your color.
That's what we use to measure.
Where is 50 volt? Can you tell me where is 50 volt?
Where is 50 volt?
You forget to mention 50 volt, right?
50 volt, yes.
50 volt.
No explanation.
50 volt
And
output,
then types of current. You didn't mention types of current, right? But it's there. Basically, it's there.
In the pictures.
Of pulse, right? Like pulse.
Yeah, pulse.
Momentarily.
Momentarily.
Okay. Now tell me where is potential 50 volt?
Potential 50 volt, the potential sticks.
Which one?
The yellow one.
Yellow only one.
Yellow only one.
Remember, when we talk about potential, there must be man and woman.
Female.
Male, female.
Yes. So where is the point? Secondly, propagate. Yes. Secondly, the propagation fact. Because you create pulse, then there will be a propagation wave propagation, right?
Around the
Wave
electrode.
length. Which electrode? Which electrode? Now, this is the potential 50 volt.
50 volt potential.
Now you produce, or basically this induce. So there will be two different property. So in between there must be a voltage drop.
Between the earthing and
Yes, between these two earthing point. So there will be a voltage drop here. So in a way you can know that this is basically V equals to R concept. So then R equals to so this I will flow between these 2 points.
the 50s.
Yeah, and this current depends on the distance. That's why you can have a variation on the resistance.
Variation of the resistive.
Firstly, can you open empty slide?
Empty slide.
Now you have your target. You said that you want to achieve less than 10 ohm, right? You want to achieve less than 10 ohm.
Yes, less.
So imagine if you are now you have already, this is original the earthing point, then this is the first grounding electrode, and second additional grounding electrode, right?
Okay.
So let's say you only have this limitation area, and you know that this area is about 100 to 110 ohm. Now you already achieved 30 something, right? 38
33.
33. But then you see there is only this space you can put additional.
for the higher.
Yeah. So can you guess, or can you show me how you can by having this position, or basically you can add at this particular area. So can you tell me how you can achieve less than 10?
Less than 10. Can I give my
Think when you back home. You go to restaurant, minum teh tarik apa,
Oh, not now.
then think.
Oh,
And then please complete in your slide.
please add on in the slide.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, kena follow.